Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2008 Harley-Davidson Road King Classic. This bike has got just a little over 29,000 miles on it and is in mint condition. Got some nice highlights on it, so let's take a walk around it. We'll fire it up so you can hear it run then. Even though this bike does have a couple of miles on it, it is in mint condition. It comes with a two-tone windscreen. I've noticed one rock chip here in the front fender. Comes with the highway lights, highway bars, footboards for both the driver and the passenger, stretch saddlebags with bar guards. It also has a trunk rack on it, along with Reinhardt pipes. There again, footboards for the passenger, derby cover, footboard for the driver with a heel-toe shifter. And then again, there's the highway bar and grips. So, only nick I found on this bike is that chip on the front fender. And the windscreen has also got a pouch. Alright, turn the bad boy on. 29038. Oh, it also has a digital fuel gauge. This Road King Classic will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.